Good morning, friends. Today I will be demonstrating the back grip push-up, which is similar like the normal push-up, but the position of our fingers and palm goes behind. The hand remains straight. Then we will slowly raise our hip, which should be parallel to the floor. Take a deep breath, hold it, and come down slowly. Coming up, breathe out. Repeat it as much as you can. This exercise strengthens our forearms and shoulders, which is must for Mayurasana. So practice it before Mayurasana.